Hello everyone, here is a question based on electronic configuration. Which among the following electronic configurations belong to main group elements? We call S and P block elements as main group elements. S block is groups 1 and 2. Hydrogen is not included in group 1. And then P block is groups 13 to 18. So let's check the electronic configurations one by one. In A we have neon, that means 10 electrons, and then 3s1, therefore total 11 electrons. This means that it is sodium because atomic number of sodium is 11. So in a neutral element, number of protons and number of electrons will be equal. So A is a S block element. We have 3s1. It belongs to group 1. So A should be there. This means 1 is wrong, 3 is also wrong. And in B we have argon 18 electrons and then 3d3 4s2. So 18 plus 5, 23 electrons. This means vanadium because atomic number of vanadium is 23, which is a transition metal. Therefore B shouldn't be there. And then in C we have krypton 36 electrons, then 4d10, 46, 5s2, 48, 5p5, 48 plus 5, 53. This means iodine because atomic number of iodine is 53, which is a P block element. So C should be there. And then in D we have argon 3d10 4s1. So 18 plus 10, 28 plus 1, 29 electrons. That means copper because atomic number of copper is 29. This doesn't mean that it is a S block element. It is a transition metal, but because completely filled d orbitals and half filled d orbitals are more stable, we write the electronic configuration this way. Because half filled and completely filled d orbitals will have more exchange energy. For example, if it is chromium, we write the electronic configuration this way: 24 and then 3d5, 4s1, and then for copper we write it this way because half filled and completely filled d orbitals are more stable due to the higher amount of exchange energy. So this doesn't mean that it belongs to S block element. It is a transition metal. Therefore D shouldn't be there, which means 4 is wrong. Therefore option 2 is the only correct choice. E we have radon and then 4 electrons. So 86 plus 4, 90 electrons, which means thorium, which is a F block element, but because 5f, 6d and 7s are energetically close, we write the electronic configuration this way. It is an octinide, but we write the electronic configuration this way. So E shouldn't be there. Option 2 is the only correct choice here.